So the decoding means you actually find, you are given this result, the result of this polynomial. Then you have to find out what the polynomial is. The polynomial itself is a message. So this explains what's going on with decoding. So the message is actually encoded by an encoder. But for certain reason, the encoded message is corrupted. So this decoder has to make a query to encoder, and the encoder behaves like an OR. And then this one returns corrupted answer. Now this decoder make a several rounds of queries and then find out possible candidates of the message. Well, suppose, for example, the error rate is something like 90%. So there is no way you actually get an original message back. So, but still, you can possibly list out the polynomial number of candidates instead of the exponentially many possible elements. Take the one element, then the probability of getting the correct answer is 1 over q. So if you take just 1 over q, it doesn't mean anything. You just randomly pick the number, right? So you have to guarantee that your result has to be better than just randomly picking out the number. So ideally speaking, we have to make this whole entire term to be 1. But it's kind of really hard to make because you have to spend a lot of computational time to make it. So now, finally, we apply it in our result here. So QCMA, so this is actually the quantum classical modeling alpha class. The definition is like this. This is actually an extension, quantum extension of NP. And NP is, if exiting language L, then there is a weakness. So this is actually a very simple application because if you look at the QCMA, the solutions are classical. That's why we can apply it in our theory on the quantum decoding to solve this question. So as far as you can find it in some similar situation. The quantum kind of computation, but some portion of the quantum computation is actually classical. Then you can use some coding scheme to encode that information into kind of the spread lengthening the string, and then you actually use a quantum decoding algorithm to decode it